Greetings, AOE students and families, faculty and staff, alumni and friends. My name is Professor Eric Patterson, and I'm Department Head of the Crofton Department of Aerospace and Ocean Engineering. On behalf of our faculty, especially those who teach our capstone design courses, it is my pleasure to announce the winners of our annual design competition. We created these awards a few years ago to recognize our students, motivate their innovation and hard work, and hopefully have some fun while doing it. We were inspired by the numerous awards, trophies, and medals that were created during the 20th century to recognize the brave and bold souls who attempted to be the first to cross the ocean, go the fastest, or fly the highest. Encouraged by several distinguished alumni, we have named the awards after people who made significant contributions to the field. Our first prize is the Adolph Busemann Prize in Aeronautics that goes to the top team in our air vehicle design course taught by Professor Pradeep Raj. Busemann was a German engineer who was part of Ludwig Prandtl's team at the Max Planck Institute, who was brought to the USA after World War II in Operation Paperclip, and worked at the NACA Langley Research Center in Hampton, Virginia. Busemann was an innovative engineer who invented the concept of the swept-back wing that is now commonplace in commercial air transport, and other innovative concepts like the Busemann biplane, a supersonic design that emitted no shock waves and had zero wave drag. Distinguished alumnus Dr. Bill Grossman worked at Langley Research Center and was impressed by the innovation and creativity of Dr. Busemann, thus his encouragement and support to name the prize after him. Our award winners for 2020 in the Busemann Prize in Aeronautics is, first off, we have a tie for second place. It's a tie between the Aviate team and Project EXO by Over the Pond. In first place is the Swiftjet by Kronos Aviation. This is a team of 9 VT seniors and a student from Hamburg University of Applied Science. The Hamburg University is one that we have a close relationship with and send students there for foreign exchange and have an annual collaboration on capstone design. Our second prize is the Hyman Rickover Prize in Hydronautics. That goes to the top team in our ocean vehicle design course taught by Professor Alan Braun. Admiral Rickover, often referred to as the father of the nuclear navy, directed the original development of the naval nuclear propulsion and controlled its operation for 3 decades as director of the U.S. Naval Reactors Office. Rickover was legendary for his recruitment and training of more than 50 admirals over his tenure. What is less known is his strong advocacy for education in general. He recognized the importance of nurturing careers of excellence and leadership in science and technology and young scholars as an essential investment in the United States' national and global future. That was as true in the 1950s and 60s during Rickover's time as it is today. The Hyman Rickover Prize in Hydronautics for 2020 goes to the following teams. In second place is the Sharpie sailboat team. And in first place is the Surface Effect patrol ship. Congratulations. Our third and final prize is the Werner von Braun Prize in Astronautics that goes to the top team in our space vehicle design course taught by Professor Kevin Shinpaw. Werner von Braun was the leading figure in the development of rocket technology in Germany and a pioneer of rocket and space technology in the United States. Like Busemann, he was brought to the USA as part of Operation Paperclip, after which he worked for the U.S. Army and at NASA, where he served as director of the Marshall Space Flight Center and as chief engineer of the Saturn V Super Heavy launch vehicle that propelled the Apollo spacecraft to the moon. Distinguished alumnus Dr. Peter Kurzals worked with Dr. von Braun on guidance and control of the Apollo spacecraft. The mentorship provided by von Braun was invaluable to Kurzals' career, thus his encouragement and support to name the prize after him. For 2020, the Werner von Prize in Astronautics goes to the following teams who tied for first place. This tie is Project Demeter and Project Hydra. Congratulations to those two teams.
We'd also like to recognize our top AOE Ambassadors for 2020. Scores of our AOE students served as ambassadors for the department. Throughout the year, they conducted tours for prospective students and families, assisted with majors fairs and open houses, and represented the department at various events on campus. 2 of our seniors led the program this year, and we would like to recognize them for their hard work and leadership. Congratulations to Laura Davies and Jamie Good. Each year, the departments within the College of Engineering name an outstanding senior based on academic achievements, engagement on campus, leadership and service to the campus, local, or global community. This year's outstanding senior is Alka Panda. Alka has been active on campus, joining a number of student organizations and participating in undergraduate research. She worked in the Hydroelasticity Lab with Dr. Gilbert, at the Advanced Propulsion and Power Lab with Dr. Todd Lowe, and she spent a summer abroad at the Shandong University Virginia Tech Lab in China. She served as a peer mentor for the Center for the Enhancement of Engineering Diversity and was a founding member of 2 new organizations during her time at Virginia Tech, the Archimedes Society and the Society of Women in Aviation and Space Exploration. Alka is headed to Stanford University to start her PhD in spacecraft propulsion. Congratulations, Alka!
This year's Aerospace and Ocean Engineering Graduate Student of the Year is Agastya Balanthrapu. Agastya was nominated by Professor William Davenport, his PhD advisor. He was selected from a list of outstanding students by the Aerospace and Ocean Engineering Graduate Committee. Agastya is currently working on his PhD and is focusing on an extremely challenging experimental research of the structure of turbulence. This semester, Agastya chose to take on a new challenge, teaching an undergraduate course in fluid dynamics. He has managed to balance his research and teaching and has seamlessly managed the transition to online teaching mandated by COVID-19. Professor Davenport noted in his nomination that Agastya possesses all the qualities we admire in our top graduate students, including state-of-the-art technical work, demonstrated technical leadership, and an interest in disseminating this knowledge. He's truly a leader amongst his peers, and we at Aerospace and Ocean Engineering congratulate him on this honor.
In closing, I want to congratulate all of our graduating students, including those earning Bachelors of Science, Masters of Science, and Doctor of Philosophy in Aerospace and Ocean Engineering. Like our alumni, Drs. Grossman and Kurzals, you will be going out into the world and working with some amazing engineers. Take your Virginia Tech education and do great things. Keep in touch. We look forward to hearing from you.